Welcome to Techblazers. Annually, we encourage our students to take part in a variety of competitions to broaden their practical experience and to excel. Techblazers values the quality of teachers, provides one-on-one guidance, and ensures that students can receive ample attention and personalized learning support. Our teachers have many years of World Championship guidance experience, and their professional knowledge and rich experience provide students with valuable learning opportunities. For instance, in the VEX IQ competition held in February 2024, Techblazers' team triumphed in the Teamwork Challenge. Amidst fierce competition, their collaborative spirit and strategic prowess led to remarkable achievements. Their success, born from perseverance and skill, not only showcased their excellence, but also their commitment to pushing robotics limits. This success serves as proof of our club's ethos, a relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation. As we commemorate this substantial victory, we eagerly anticipate the future, prepared to face and overcome new challenges. The journey of Techblazers is a beacon of inspiration, propelling us towards greater heights in the world of robotics. Join us. Your journey inspires us all, and we eagerly anticipate the heights you will reach next.